डॉक्टर नंद कुमार कामत साहब के ख्यालात को सुने। तारुफ करना, to introduce this personality is definitely not a need in Goan scenario, but as a custom, as a formality, I take this privilege to introduce Dr. Nandakumar Kamath Saab before you. Dr. Nandakumar Kamath Saab is an assistant professor from the Department of Botany at Goa University. He is a science writer. He is a avid thinker. He is an activist. कोई भी इशू एनवायरमेंट का हो, ह्यूमन राइट्स का हो, डॉक्टर नंदकुमार कामत साहब is the first person to very openly and vocally who speaks about it. He is a regular writer in all the mainstream media, and he is a very known personality in terms of presenting his thoughts upright. He is a visionary, to say the least. With this brief introduction, I respectfully request Dr. Nandakumar Kamath Saab to please address this gathering of Tare Zameen Par Children's Book Fair. Please.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। यहाँ बहुत मेरे दोस्त और बुजुर्ग लोग बैठे हुए हैं, सबका नाम ले लिया तो बहुत समय लगेगा उसके लिए। आई विल बी टॉकिंग इन बोथ हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश, पॉसिबल इन माय ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज, दैट इज कोंकणी। माय वाइफ इज सिटिंग हियर, शी इज वेरी proud of her Muslim students whom she specifically invited from her school here today. Every morning I hear some surahs on Tata Sky, and I promise you that I'll give you, if not in 5 years, but as long as I'm living, a good Konkani translation of Al-Quran and also a good biographical novel of the Prophet. I'm very unhappy today because I see a mixed Muslim crowd here. What is important today for the Muslims of India, Muslims of Goa, is unity. Without unity there is no progress. Without unity, there is no leadership. This country belongs to all of us. This country doesn't belong to any religious denomination. And only on basis of merit and talent, Muslims can take the leadership of the country. And how that is possible, we have to look into the life and works of Bharat Ratna, Dr. Abdul Kalam, and so many of our leaders. We should listen to the tunes of Shehnai, and we should think about all the contributions now which are being made in different fields, from Hindi films to music to sports, how all these talented people from Muslim background have come up through hard work, absolutely hard work. अभी मुझे याद आता है कि एक समय ऐसा था, I met one of the finest